Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And guys, I've been seeing so many comments on my channel about making Xbox tutorials. I even put a poll out recently, and I hear you guys. You guys really want to see tutorials. Now, that doesn't mean I'm going to make every single video on an Xbox tutorial, but I get a good idea about what you guys actually like, what kinds of videos I post specifically. So today we have a game sharing tutorial. Now, I got a lot of flack for uploading or changing the title of a previous version of this that I uploaded in 2019, altered it to 2020. A lot of people were criticizing me for that, so I thought I would come back here and I would make an updated version in 2020. The software on Xbox looks a little different, but it's mainly straightforward and the same exact step-by-step process when actually game sharing. I might do another tutorial about if you run out of switches. And I'm just going to clarify one thing here. You get 5 switches per year. Xbox allows you to game share with 5 people per year. It resets every year. There's a way to go see it, but I'm not going to focus on that in this video. I'm just going to show you the basics on how you can actually game share. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's what we're going to be doing. So you're going to need a friend's account for this, obviously. You need their consent to log into their account. Please don't go on other people's accounts and steal all their information and stuff like that. Make sure you have a buddy that you can do this with. Makes it really easy. And make sure you have a game in mind that you actually want to download. Don't do this with someone and you go and look at their games and they're all awful and you're like, well, I don't know what to do now. So I'm going to sign in to an alternate account right here. Switch profile. I'm just going to sign into this one. So now I'm logged into a different account. This is just an alternate account I have. I never use this. It's just for like a guest account, basically. So what we're going to be doing here is once you're logged into your friend's account, like I am here, you want to go over to the settings icon, click settings. You want to go to general. I'm just in the general tab. It's nothing complicated. Weirdly enough, it's in personalization, which I don't know why Xbox does this, but I don't know. You want to click on personalization. My profile, my color and background, theme and motion, my home Xbox. We're going to be focusing on my home Xbox. Now, on your screen, it's going to say, make this my home Xbox. And you're going to click, yes, make this my home Xbox. It's going to ask you to confirm it. Do you want to make this your home Xbox? And you're going to say, yes, I do. Now, it says remove this as my home Xbox on my screen because I've already made this my home Xbox. And obviously, you can't do the same process twice. So, I mean, if I wanted to remove it, I could, but there's no point in me doing it. Or maybe if I wanted to like free up a share, I could. But so make sure you guys just click make this my home Xbox. And then you're like 95% there. You're literally almost there. Once you do that, you can log back into your account. That's a big misunderstanding. When people make these tutorials, everyone asks like, do I have to stay signed into their account? No, you can go sign back into your account. And also a big misunderstanding that I hear a lot is about, can I play a game that I've game shared with, or I game shared with someone else? Can we play the same game at the same time? The answer is yes. I have evidence of this. I game shared Battlefront 2 with my friend Tim. He plays it at the same time as me, and I game shared with him. He paid nothing. He ripped it straight off my account, and you can play at the same time. It's that easy. Another misconception, can you do this with disc games? The answer is no. You can't. This is all digital. I'm sorry if you guys are thinking you can do this with all disc games, but you can't. So make sure that you only are game sharing digitally downloaded content, games, stuff like that. That's the only way you can do this. The whole point of sharing a home Xbox is Xbox wasn't originally intending for this, to share games for free, but their original intention was if I have multiple Xboxes in my house and I don't want to pay for games multiple times on different Xboxes, this is a great way to do it. Basically, take all your games, put them on every single console, costs you absolutely nothing. Super awesome. So from here, I'm going to go back to my account, switch profile, Baseball Banner 1. Now I'm back into my account. Awesome. Now I'm going to make my way to my games and apps. See y'all. Also, guys, comment down below what your favorite Xbox game is. I would love to hear it. Also, before I continue, guys, shout out to Life Made Easy Podcast. Everyone who goes over there and subscribes to the podcast, it's linked down below in the description under my podcast. It's a YouTube channel. We also have an audio version. Everyone who goes over there subscribes. I'll be doing shout outs on the channel here. Man, I look really blown out in this video. Whatever. So you can go to games. Go to full library, all owned games, and then under here, you want to go to ready to install. Now, so these are all the games you can install on your console. As you can see, it has the little download symbol on all of them. Make sure they're all digitally downloaded. All these should be actually digitally downloaded, which is awesome. Actually, I have a bunch of extra ones in here that I've never played before, but yeah. So basically go in here, download whatever game you want. It'll install on your console, and you're all set. You're all good to go. You can now play that game forever for 100% free, as long as you're still game sharing with that specific person. It'll work. Absolutely awesome. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Xbox sort of switched up their layout of the games and stuff like that. So I guess this is a good updated version for you guys. Since they kind of like hide it from you, I kind of know why, but it's hidden. I don't know. So yeah, that's basically what you want to do. That's how you download. That's how you game show on Xbox One 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell down below. Helps you guys get notified exactly when I upload every single video. I'm going to be posting a lot more since it's summer and I don't have anything going on right now. Subscribe to Life Made Easy Podcast. We're going to be uploading amazing content on there in the future, putting out lots of stuff. It's going to be cool. See you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy.